Hi guys, hope everybody is doing great today. So today I'm going to make Iranian Dill leaf rice. Very delicious and very easy to make. Let's go for it. And quick update on COVID-19. So please do take care of yourself and stay at home. Try to stay at home and avoid crowded places and maintain your social distancing. And please stay away from corona and whatever the diseases are. So just be healthy, eat healthy and stay fit. Cheers. So let's get started. So we have the leaves, say 250 grams. So what we're gonna chop very finely. Let's take out coriander leaf, cut out the stems, throw it away. Next comes mint leaves. Yalla, let's go for cooking. So let's get started. I'm gonna add butter. Butter is the main ingredient in this. And add some olive oil. A little bit of olive oil. So I'll add cinnamon powder, 2 pinch of cinnamon powder, a really nice mix. That's it. And then we'll add water in this. So it should be a little fried. Perfect. So we'll wait till it boils and then we'll add our leaves in this. So now it's time to add the leaves. And here we go with mint leaf, coriander leaves. Mix it well. Here we go with salt. And this is for 1 kg, so I have put 250 grams of all together. Say the leaves I have used 250 grams and 50 grams of mint leaves and 50 grams of coriander leaves. So once if it starts boiling, I'll add rice in it. So you can see the water is boiled, so we'll add rice in it. So I'm going to give a mix, slow mix. You can see the color, it's like green, and so you can add saffron in this to give good color. And dill leaves, it's very good. It gives you good vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin C, a lot of minerals it has, and so it's good for health, basically for heart disease, for cancer, so it cures. So you can see how beautiful it's come. I'll take it in a plate. You can see it's come beauty. See? So let's do Bismillah.